Why and how to use Google Patent Search. This is Google Patent Search, patents.google.com. We can type in our keyword in the search box. For example, it was raining lately, so I type in waterproof shoe. Since there are many results, you can save time and find exactly what you're looking for by using the advanced search options. You can click this icon, Display Advanced Search Options. The advanced search options will be shown at the left-hand column. There are some fields that can limit and improve our search. For example, we can type in an inventor. An inventor is the person who invented the technology, so you can see a human icon. A signee is usually a company that owns the intellectual property of this technology, so you can see a building icon. We can also limit the search to different patent office, where the patent is registered. We can move the mouse over the question mark icon to see some search tips. There are multiple search term boxes, so we can put the search terms in different boxes. For example, we can put waterproof in one search terms box and shoe in another search term box. That means we want to search for waterproof and shoe, so both terms must appear in the same patent document. Within the search terms box, we can click the setting icon to show the advanced search option. We can type in extra terms that have similar meaning to the current search terms. For example, water resistant has similar meaning to waterproof, so we can type in water resistant. Remember to add double quotes so water resistant will be searched as a phrase. Now it will search for waterproof or water resistant. We can also limit the search to title, abstract, or claims. After that, click the Add or Condition button. Another term for shoe is footwear, so we can type in footwear in the advanced search option. Then click the Add or Condition button. Now we are searching for waterproof or water resistant and shoe or footwear. The results are sorted by relevance. We can sort the results by publication date instead. We can also group the results by classification. If you scroll down, you will also see some analysis. Here you can see the top 5 assignees, the top 5 inventors, and the top 5 CPCs. What is a CPC? Click on this question mark. CPC stands for Cooperative Patent Classification. For patent applications, the European Patent Office classifies inventions into different categories. For example, A is human necessities, and 43 is footwear. To know more about CPC Browser, click the link in the video description. If you find a patent that is useful for your research, you can copy the CPC. Then click the setting icon within the search terms box. Under Classification, enter the CPC you just copied. Then select the categories of patents you want to search. After that, click the Add and Condition button. You can click on the search result to look at the full patent document. You can also get the full text by clicking on the Download PDF button.